Hi everyone, AI technologies are evolving super fast, and every day we're seeing something new pop up in this space, something that used to seem impossible just a short while ago. Take AI agents, for example. Not long ago, they were just simple text assistants built to help with basic tasks. But now, they're on a whole new level. These agents have faces, they can gesture, and even talk to us in real time with their voices. One of these agents is what I want to show you today. Her name is Arya, and she was created by a project called Synchroverse, which specializes in building custom AI companions. Arya is a fully animated 3D model that can express human emotions, use body language, and remember all the context from your past conversations. She works as an influencer with her own Twitch stream, plus active social media channels where she posts and interacts with followers. Right now, Arya is a fully patented technology by Synchroverse, and compared to similar AI models, she's way ahead, both in looks and in functionality. One really cool thing, Arya can speak almost every language, which means she can chat with viewers from anywhere during her streams. And thanks to her lifelike visuals, it really feels like you're talking to a real person. Synchroverse has clearly come up with a promising business model here. An AI agent that can stream regularly and generate solid income for the project. And what's awesome is that the team is sharing this tech with the community. Users can build their own AI agents, upload custom designs, tweak the look and voice, and so much more. You can learn all about that on the official Synchroverse website. I've dropped the link in the description below this video. On the website, the spotlight is definitely on Arya. You can check out all her features and get a sense of what's possible with the platform for other agents and even games. Like I mentioned earlier, Arya outshines other AI agents in many ways. That's because Synchroverse spent over 4 years developing her, working with experts from studios like Rockstar, Blizzard, and Epic Games. And beyond just Arya the agent, Synchroverse also has the Arya token. It started off as a meme coin, but now it's getting more and more real utility. For example, token holders get some cool perks that help them connect with Arya and explore her features. The first utility? One-on-one chats with Arya. You can pay in tokens to talk with her directly, ask questions, and even play games together. Then there's access to the VIP club. If you hold more than 3 million Arya tokens, you get invited to a private Telegram group where fans hang out. The project runs giveaways and airdrops, and there's exclusive merch. Another big perk is discounts. Token holders will get special pricing on Synchroverse products and services, so you can build your own AI projects for less. And it doesn't stop there. The team is constantly adding new features. In fact, this Saturday they're launching Arya 2.0. The new version will be even more lifelike with updated facial features, smoother movements, perfect lip syncing. She'll even be able to stand up, sing, and dance on command. Now, let's talk about how you can actually buy the Arya token. It's currently available on Dex Screener, and I've dropped the link in the description. If you check the token chart, you'll see there's a lot of buzz around the project. And the price is climbing, so it might be a great time to grab some, not just to explore AI, but possibly to earn as the token grows. To buy, all you need to do is connect your wallet on Dex Screener, choose how many tokens you want, and confirm the transaction. Once you've done that, you're officially a holder, and you can start using all the utilities we just talked about. And guess what? More are on the way. Starting August 10th, token holders with over 1 million Arya tokens will be added to a waitlist. This list will let you join co-streams with Arya and earn from views and donations. All the links, including Arya's model, the Dex Screener page, her Twitch and Twitter, are in the description, so feel free to check them out and see for yourself how impressive this AI really is. That's it for today's deep dive into Arya and the Synchroverse project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about AI agents. Would you want to create your own? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.